Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I will be doing a 1-year update slash review of me using the Hairburst chewable gummies, and these are 3 I've used. However, I've used more in the past. The one contains a 1-month supply, so these are 3 months supply, but however I've done already a first video of me using the Hairburst videos, like a 3-month update. If you want to watch it, I'm pretty sure you will see it on my channel. And I'm gonna leave it on the iBuy here. And this is me coming back after a year doing my update video. And Hairburst chewable vitamins, basically the main purpose of these are it will help you with hair growth, making your hair stronger, fuller, thicker, and basically your whole hair will be growing more faster. And this is the main purpose and results of these. What is great about the gummies are, it says already in their name, is gummies, so it's very easy to take the vitamins, to swallow it. You have to just chew it. You have to take twice a day, chew it, and it has a very nice berry flavor and it's easy to swallow. Obviously it's like a gummy, and the main kind of ingredient it contains is biotin, selenium, zinc, vitamin A, B5, B6, B12, vitamin C and vitamin E. It got a lot of vitamins, and they also come in a capsule version which hold more minerals and vitamins in there. However, it has the same effect if you take the chewable gummies. So for me, capsules sometimes are quite harsh to swallow. I can't really swallow capsules that much, especially every single day. The chewable gummies are a huge game changer. Very easy to swallow and really easy to intake. I like to take them in the morning, which I've been doing. Literally, I've been using this for a year now, and constantly every single day I've been taking it. It's got a very nice strawberry and blackcurrant flavor, and I find the taste of it is very nice, like a Haribo strawberries. It's got a very nice taste and very lovely. And who doesn't like to eat gummies every single day? One of these containers should honestly last you for a 30-day supply, because it contains 60 gummies. So you have to take 2 of them every single day, and obviously if you do the maths, it will last you only a month. And you guys can see I've already used a good 3 months, a brand new one. And I honestly tell you, listen, like, look at this. These are the empty ones, and I'm already on my other stash in here. Let me show you how they look like. They are I'm pretty sure I've shown you guys, but the purpose of this I'm gonna show you once again. This is how they look like. Very nice heart shape gummies, very easy to swallow, very nice scent. I already have taken mine in the morning. I like to take it in the morning because I find it more easier, and I won't forget it if I take it in the morning. So this is like in my daily stash. And in terms of, let's talk about the results, you guys. First, I was very skeptical. I thought that does it really work, these vitamins? A very skeptical thing. And if you look at my videos or in my pictures a year back or maybe more, my hair was very thin, very kind of falling out, very lackluster. In general, my hair wasn't really nice to look at, and I started taking these. Since I've taken these, the main kind of effect and results I've noticed is my hair has become more thicker, especially in here. Like, I had some bald patches in here, not like bald patches, like some empty patches in here, and I feel like the patches are full because I had some baby hairs growing, and I let them grow, and now they're very super long. Sorry about my messy hair today, but I had some baby hairs growing, and I've seen the difference. I honestly seen the difference. Whenever I touch my hair like this, my fingers are full of hair, and I can see that the vitamins have really worked. Only my hair has become thicker, it also has become longer. With longer, I mean it actually grows super long. Now, I used to go to my barbers once a month because I feel like once a month was perfect kind of time frame for me to get my hair cut, to really let it grow and go for another fresh haircut. But now I feel like every single 2 weeks I have to go to the barbers because my hair is just growing so quick, especially the sides. Oh my god, if I don't go to the barber, like I have actually got a barber's appointment today, funny enough, my hair grows so much and so quickly in here, and I actually don't like it when I have like hair growing on the sides that much. And I really see it. Not only it helps to grow your hair, it also helps to grow the other hair on your body, which is not the ideal thing if you're like Middle Eastern, South Asian like me, and who has got genetically a lot of hair. Helping the hair, the body hair, to grow more is not the best thing on planet Earth. So in this terms, I mean that the beard grows very fast, very quick. The sides in here, not only the beard, my eyebrows, they also grow very quick. The neck hair grows very quick, especially around here. And of course, the chest hair grows very quick, the body hair, the leg hair, the hair on the private area. Honestly, the hair grows very quick because your body contains all the biotin inside, all the zinc, all the vitamins, all the selenium. Hence why not only helps for the hair, it also helps for the body hair as well. So bear that in mind. If you're someone who goes to laser very often, who shaves a lot, who doesn't like body hair at all, bear that in mind that you might get more body hair growth if you use these kind of vitamins. It doesn't have to be from this brand. Other brands, other kind of hair growth medicine tablets, they also have the same effect. Some other key information about Hairburst: it's GMO free, gluten free, it's a chewable format, low sugar, premium and naturally derived ingredients. So overall, the benefits of this contains the good ingredients, essential ingredients for maintaining of healthy hair growth, visibly improves fine or thinning hair, prevents breakage and encourages stubborn hair to grow. Perfect for those that struggle to swallow capsules, a delicious strawberry blackcurrant flavor with a low sugar content. And I'm just on the Hairburst website, and one thing I've noticed is I feel like they've increased the price point, which I am not happy about. Well, I'm pretty sure it used to be £19 or £19.99 or £20. Now the current price on the official Hairburst website is £22. So they had a slight price increase, which I am actually not surprised, because I feel like every other on planet Earth has that price increase. Even the milk had a price increase. So I feel like this pretty much explains for itself. And it's got a lot of good reviews, and I can really see why this kind of things is actually working. Does it actually work? Yes, it is working. And this is more like a personal thing, and it doesn't have to work for every single one. Obviously there are some negative comments about these. It doesn't really work for everyone, and I would suggest, if you're really skeptical, if you really want to try it, get the 3-month supply, because if you get like a 3-month supply, you save a bit of more money, or sometimes there is like a 3 for 2 offers, such as Boost, for example. You pay for 2, you get the 3rd bottle for free, something like that. Do this, or just check the website for some discount codes. Pretty sure they are discounted pretty much every single time. Whenever I checked at this time, there's no discount, so keep checking on the websites everywhere, because you'll find Hairburst not only on the website, you'll find it on Look Fantastic, Call Beauty, Boots, and some other places, which I'm pretty sure you can find as well. And or check your pharmacy, or maybe a pharmacy might have. I would suggest to try 3 bottles, like a 3-month supply, and do a test. Check with your hair how long it is, and then take the vitamins, and just after the 3 months check your hair again, or check the bald patch that you have, and then you will see if you had some hair growth, or maybe you'll see some baby hairs, or maybe your body hair will grow. Then you will really know that this actually works from inside and out. And that's what I've been doing. I am actually now user, and I'm fully paying customer for these, and I really like them. For me, it really works. I feel like there was a point a few months back that I forgot to take it 1 or twice a week, and I was like, oh my god, I feel like I forgot something, and it was the vitamins that I forgot to take, or maybe at the time I was running out. But pretty much I've been using this constantly every single day, and I must say I'm really happy with my hair at the moment. It feels very like thick, very like robust, very like strong as well. And yes, I have the hair falls here and there. I mean, there was like a thing on the internet that a human being loses around, I don't know how many hair strands, something like 100 hair strands a day. Is it a lot? Do not know. Maybe 100 hair strands a day or something like that. Something crazy. Like, we lose hair on a daily basis, so it's not that these vitamins really has stopped the hair loss or really has stopped my hair from thinning. No, still a little bit there, but it does enhance, it does improve, and it does help me to get the hair growing, and it helps me to have a nice kind of strong hair. Even I got more shine as well. I forgot to tell you guys, I got more shine whenever I use it. My hair was shiny in general as well, but once I've started using these, my hair has become more shiny, which I really like. And I feel like that was it. I've talked about pretty much everything, but if there's any other things I forgot, I'm gonna leave it in the description box down below. But if you guys have any other more questions regarding these, do let me know in the comment section below, or DM me on my Instagram at RamaBlogger. I'm happy to answer your questions over there. Would I think they're worth it? My personal opinion, yes they are. It's more like a personal preference thing, more like a personal thing. If it works for me, it might not work for you. So that's that. Just try out, do the 3-month supply, or even try the 1-month supply if you want. But I feel like with the 1 month you don't really get results, because they actually say on the website to really try the 90-day supplement, 90 days supply, so like a 3-month supply, in order to get the full effect of the hair growth. And yeah, you guys, so if you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos like these. If there are any other videos you guys want me to film, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys having a fabulous day, whatever you're doing. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you very soon in my next video.